I've been messing around with this wiring a little bit, and as you can see, I've got a lot more of it cut and labeled and figured out where a lot more of it goes. And I figured I'd unwrap some of these little connections here and show you guys what's up under them. You guys give me your best shot. What do you think it's going to look like up under them? Let's all participate. Give me a comment down below and tell me what you think it's going to look like. What you think it's going to be up under? Is it going to be green, or is it going to be a dirty mess, or is it just going to be two wires twisted together and all kinds of dirty? What do you guys think it's going to be? All right, guys, let's dive in and see what it's going to be. Test subject number 1. And I'm not going to cut these wires yet. But I'm going to unravel them and show you guys what's up under them. Because I'm not going to cut them until I get ready to splice them back together. And I don't have my soldering iron out here right now. But I will get you a couple of videos of me soldering. I mean, there's thousands of videos of learning how to solder on here. Not that it really needs a shout out from me, but Eric the Car Guy has a couple of good soldering videos. I think Chris Fix has a couple of good soldering videos. I mean, they're all over YouTube, but I'll still show you a few of the ways that I do it and how it looks when I'm done. You know, just everybody's different, so it doesn't hurt to show. Let's unravel number 1 here. This petrified tape looks like it's from the dinosaur age. Alright, look at that one, guys. Nice little brown color to it, and would you look at that? It's just wires twisted together. What do you think's under the, didn't see that one. Next 3. We'll go with this one. If I can find the end of the tape. Yeah, I could cut this tape off here, but I don't want to damage the wires any more than what it already is. All black and dusty too, just twisted together wires. Look at all that coming off there. Well, maybe even a little bit of corrosion in that one. You see that, guys? See if I can get you a closer view of that. Come on, focus. There we go. Yeah. Alright, let's try another one here. And yeah, I know I could cut all these wires. They're all the same wires. They all do the same thing on this part, but I'd rather keep them all where they are because I know it works like it is. As long as it works like it is. There, got a little corrosion, a little dirt in there. Not as bad as you would expect, but you know, could have been done 10 times better than that, and I would have never had to unravel them and redo them. And would have never questioned whether they were any good or not. And by the way, guys, there's no power going to this. It's all unhooked, so don't worry. It's okay if they touch. It's not going to explode. There's no power. All right, what's up under this one? Come on, give it up. Oh, look at that. Another Christmas tree. The twisted wires. That's my daughter playing in the background. Another Christmas tree of wires. Yay! And obviously she loves Christmas trees. But alright, guys, that's the that's what's up under the tape and everything like that, you know. Once again, just chugging along, figuring it all out. I'll be ready to come back and cut some of these soon and start soldering them. I'll get you some video of that if I can, and we'll go from there. I'd really like to pull this whole harness out and redo it, but that's a lot of work. I'll just do it right here the way it is. I got plenty of space to do it, so why not? Alright, guys, this is another signing off, and you know, get outside and wrench a little bit. Work on something. It doesn't matter what it is. Four-wheeler, lawnmowers, cars, trucks, it doesn't matter. Get outside and work on it. Enjoy turning your wrenches, and you know, enjoy this dying art. Not many people are carrying on the art of being shade tree mechanics anymore. You know, that's what this channel is more about than anything. You know, guys, it's more about carrying on the art and tradition of being a shade tree mechanic. You know, too many people think these days, oh, well, I'll just go out and pay somebody to fix it. You know, yeah, you can do that, but why not save that money and learn how to do it yourself? Not hard to learn. You know, guys, it's not hard at all. Watch videos. Watch other people. You know, I mean, learn it. Pick it up. You know, even if you're just changing your own oil, that's still just as good, guys. All right, guys, I'm going to sign off once again for this weekend. You guys have a great weekend. Thank you all for viewing and watching, and may God bless you all.